Abladi abi mi fla nye kemba Chorkor Youth TV. Ake binu wo fi ole dane. One report keje Chorkor Chamwena. Afon Shiki, meneji gbina afon Oshiki ni won around workwe ni bi fi no anyo capture. No workwe man bi no ni ameyo kemo benu Oshiki fon ya la ha. Agbene workwe keji na gba ya lo gbeji no to na to fen ani no fi no ya no jogba lo. Ewo keji o kenklen gbine no ba Chorkor UTV no ofane kano here panoni o subscribe to channel there because there's a lot of things that is coming your way. We are promoting Chorkor to the world. Nyawaya mwakwa beni ebayale nyera don.
Atomi Philomena ye Chorkor libi papa mba ye Chorkor no Chorkor UTV ne subscriber ye Chorkor UTV libi papa mba deme no nya kwa deme.
Oblano fa na mini joke.
Fana chami Simon.
Ngmene ji Oshiki fonbe ni main vote ani oya vote mo.
Ofa na vote mo.
Te etelete
ha. Boni na ni bi e na ka afi na efe fine wa because me can take more less than 5 minutes ni can be voting nam. No nchenye line me kakadan lo no konakam.
Ni te jeme shikamo tam yo ha.
Oh, I think Mafia follow the protocol say ni electoral commission kaba go to have 4 day can be gbona was sanitary can no jeme beg gidi jeme kashiku.
Okay. Ni keje mabibo miniji odwemo ke ha last 4 years gbejiano to ke ha this year le no miniji difference ni yo mi no.
I think I last 4 years I remember more than do I'm how no polling station and me lie be dem church I finally I may improve keje last year no ke take no na this year no it faster fe last 4 years no.
Okay. Obanyo ochon ni bi ekome na me improve ye no.
Oh, mononi na to bene skon be sale ko ba ko avoto ba to like akadam. She na fi no na ka jila polling center say. Ajila baba o to any vote ne can last 4 years it was 4 men she be na fi na can ya fe to mo 5 dani was segbele oni last 4 years e ko be jan another polling stations etejeme. No and even though ni my fire polling center na bu won she bona me feel and ni bi e simple.
Okay. Miniji ngawo ke ha me ni ko ye Chorkor Youth TV.
Mo ma ke mo fi amoji ake election is JB. Election JB is Jomo all about Jomo no wachon. O your opinion mo ko le your opinion. No ko ke mo pa agbepo den che JB ni. Yin yan shitu onyame me. Ta fra che ni yo mo fi amole enyanyo me amile party ni yo. Mi una ame party na me yo. Shika pe ne kan show mo son obi. No ni it serve as less now. Even though politicians know here me support them. Jam be their friends can nyame me. Ni just position mo fia mo ke ideology ni solo mo fia mo ke no but it doesn't call for fight alone no okay ba she election be ne kani wa fe to mo ma me fe be ke ni bi ne ke sa no na le na kam ona ke to mo ko nya mi ta shi ni je won ne ke ni mo fia so mo fia mo twen je mo sa ne la ka sa no na le at the end mo fia mo ni ba wini is all about Ghana ke Akufo-Addo ba channel Ghana ke mama ye no Ghana ofen Ghana ko memi no yo any policy ni mo fi amoka ba ofen o benefit o no o ka feel e be o na like nyami meje o ni Chorkor community le o yin as nyami men ko ni bi komeni esa ni ofi o je na kan ni bi eje ko ni tafra gbe komeni ameka ba ha Chorkor community me na ka o Chorkor we different or we decent people. Alo me komeni o decent ye Chorkor je mo fiamo ni ta frache eyin ye Chorkor no nya woni ke ba anyami
Anyami orado.
oh orado.
So fane achomi ni ai te achobo.
Achom Rose Kwachi.
Please introduce yourself to us.
Okay, so I'm Rose Kwachi, presiding officer for my center.
Okay, me Flavo Kemba Chorkor UTV.
Thank you.
Ofane managing bini like Oshiku fon ya no. What are the preparations so far? How are things going? How are people comporting themselves with the COVID-19 protocols?
Okay, so far everything is going on, and also so far by God's grace, everything is going on successfully. We've not heard of any fight or anything. None of the civilians has come, non-civilians though, has come around um, for any, we are out. So by God's grace, we are moving on.
And what about the turnout? Are people coming to vote, or you have limited number of people?
Oh yeah, people are really coming to vote. So far, so good. People are really coming out to vote.
Any challenges so far, or things are moving on smooth?
Oh, things are moving on very smoothly. No challenges. First in the morning, we wanted water, but God being so good, we had water. And so far, everything is going on successfully.
So please, if someone is watching us on Chorkor TV, what's your best advice to them?
Okay, my advice to people watching me or listening to me, I pray they still maintain the peace that is going on. Although I don't know whether there are places that are fighting or having problems, but they should maintain the peace and it will help all of us. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ofana chomi ni ayi mini diogbe.
Ofana chomi Ebenezer.
Me flabo ke ba Chorkor TV.
Orado.
Okay, te oshiki fon ya no ten. Ani o ya fon oshiki o.
Ofana info in Yoshiki da.
Ni te lebine.
Lebine no.
Okay, ani obanyo hawo little insight about the process.
Okay. The way ni ake recent regulation by EC mene we did accordingly. Or wash our hands or sanitize when needed. Then we went to the pool to cast the vote, and because of being any amejila me P or a honey voted fast, and I was able to vote earlier.
Ni te ojomo keha this time. What do you think has been different from the previous election years?
When I care every 4 years, so no feel any happy no. Akwono ne aka amend the next coming election. I realize I care or push a center say far many cure line ya kill. The care balance I can learn way. If I not try 5 and still me come do more line now vote can it be high. Well, I think I did this time I'm a quit those things. I'm a belly me. Any honey be an by this time I try one. Mokukra baby and ha me p vote. Ni still a back me your share baba na mo ma vote.
Alright, but inagbe sanibi mo ke haboji. Mini jinga woko no yo ke ha Chorkor bi ni nkwe TV ne.
One time in Chorkor bi mufiamu na keshenshi this year we are with a difference. Violent now you are hey p Chorkor or experience is exempted, and we are proud of that. Or bagba ake mufiamu aje neighbor phone or shikie.
Wonderful shi.
Orado.
Abladi abi menele ina inye me enyo ebie imami me enyo ebie ni amba vote o minta ma bia mesa ne fio imami ne e best friend o isa mini diogbe
yeah Auntie Mary no acho
okay no fa ne bo
acho me Abigail
oshiki fon te etelete
o ngone afinele fe fan yo aja kesin egbe ye son ni wo po o me fe akan vote niyan ko ni bebe na te to ko cha bia ne me mo nchichikpo e won ko fe ya ke ba kra ni fe ya ke ma vote sha gbele lebe ka mo fe mo kai sta ni fa na sana ko beje edin lele be ma kon ka de ma ya mo lele ni ba o ni gin to mo ka wo yo ne no vote mo mi ya ona ka fi ne fa fi da fi na fi
o fa ne ni bohun mini ji no no yo ke.
Oh, voting life so simple. Electoral Commission ebo mode wa. Eja ke beni wo susu ole je na kan ba le ne. Wo ba bi ene wo ye ko 20 minutes mpo. Wo vote water ni wo yan chia. Wo no fi an no efe smooth. On fi an money efe ya ke vote ebo mode ni ba vote. Chini e so simple. Noko hu ba nyumo ye. Wo mo fi an ma ba ni ba vote.
O fa ne ama bibo ko. Okay no o shegbe akeke ju ba mini aleno onu ake gidigidi ko yanolo
beni wonu ye wale si ami nke ni bi na ka eni atwato ye potato je kwen e yin po yin pa no naka
Go aya was so wagon.
ya was so sajin ka ni bi na to ni mokokra flen ni tu ne ka ni nale e won kai nya ko ni maya no ko he play mo ma mo ko ni ma kongbele e won kuku ya adi won ya e won kwen fe ya kan ya le kwen la kukra won ka de pota mo ni ta oda ni nale je hwemo ya kan fe ya kan ya kra me ni ba ya na ba me ni ba kwa me gbele me ni ba kwa pupa won me ya na me ba shi dro mo na gbele kukra gidigidi ko be po be jen sani gba ko be jen ni enu ji ko gbena no bo ya yo na ka fine mo ni arrange ni bi ahala award wa e bo modern wa
Eji o social responsibility ake every citizen over vote or obomodin. Okay, near don. Won hear me won fe interview no in here oblan hin feel e bi ofa ne miniji ogbe.
Chọ kwabna.
Oblan ani o vote mo.
I won't vote.
Meta wa vote.
Oh, nation affair orientation ba vote.
Ni te gbejano to ya ten ni bi ya le ten.
Oh, no to le drumo. Beni wo to issue na kan no ya le. Ga be de kan chen saga ya na kan no. Ga just kunili be wata wo sumo ni gidi ke basa kwa ba. No, beni wo to issue o. Na kan ji no ni o wi sha ke e ya le no na kan no ji be ya le.
Shimi na ke oba vote le bi emi.
Wa vote le.
Mi no ya ko lololo no ye bi.
Be ni afi yen hia ni ye sumo. Ne bia na mu mi di man mi di ni kocha wan o mi control hia afi no da ka matashi nka di mo ko afi bulu e ma stop le won ke against afo bi trash o control ni bi
O da bo sha ke o ba okpa
bo ra don ke o sande bi mo
mi no ko choko bi ni ko choko youth
o mi ke choko bi ake am fe amani choko gbe kpa aya shon be na wa mi na ke je na ka woji she won bule ke shule mo ye wo no nke na ka sumo na when am get control ni choko to enjoy level bi ene if any about community name here am fa me no am won shi ko na vote le ko ni na gbe ye a che ogbe papa ye shon
ora don okay over there acho mi ni ayi mi je ogbe
acho mi anti mansa
over there
anti dede
over there
acho mi anti adole
ale no te ni bi ya no ten
oh ni bi ya no all right but kululu ko ya no ye ni water ye bi ene efeto mo ko wa voto aha bo shikara no voto
shikara no ona moko na ha le shikara ne
shini talent ye kombo
ni aha
tensi di tope
no o aha bo shikara no vote ha party ko o he no ye allo vote ha mo no
o fa ne kumo yan ka gbe yen lo
Ima, o voto emo.
O voto mo.
She meta mo voto.
We check ko chombo.
She by this time science consultation no ajoy. She na ko e bi ololo.
Na kan ni, ihe nwan. Na lo le won ka ba ya, won ka mi jo he ifi o. Mi ya lante ma mi ton. Kaka agbe na njigbe.
Ora don.
Yo, my name is Theophilus Isaac Nikpapokwe, Chorkor Assembly member. Minke Chorkor Mamu Fenyake. I'm a subscribe Chorkor UTV. We are promoting and taking Chorkor to the world. So in case you don't know, just representing life. This is Theophilus. Aye.